Imagine holding the future of computing in your hands, but for the price of a few dinners out. Right now, in the heart of Cupertino, Apple is finalizing a device that shouldn't exist. They call it the iPad 12th generation, and according to the latest supply chain leaks, it's about to break the one rule Apple has followed for over a decade. For years, the entry-level iPad was the budget choice, the one you bought for your kids or for basic Netflix streaming. But in 2026, everything changes. We aren't just looking at a spec bump, we are looking at the death of the basic tablet. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad Air or even a Pro, stop. Just stop. Because what I'm about to tell you about the 12th gen iPad might make those premium models look like a massive waste of money. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The tech world is buzzing, and the rumors coming out of Taiwan and Shenzhen are painting a picture of a device that is aggressively powerful. We are talking about the A18 chip. Yes, the same architecture that powers the flagship iPhones is finally trickling down to the most affordable iPad in the lineup. But why now? Why would Apple give its cheapest tablet so much power? The answer is simple and a bit scary: Apple Intelligence. Apple is desperate to get their AI into every household, and they can't do that if their entry-level iPad is running on ancient hardware. To run the next generation of Siri, the advanced image generation, and the localized privacy-focused AI models, the 12th gen iPad has to be a beast. And that is exactly what they are building. Let's talk about the display. For the last 3 generations, Apple fans have been begging for a laminated display on the base model. If you don't know what that means, it's that tiny air gap between the glass and the actual screen. It's the one thing that makes the base iPad feel cheap compared to the Air. The rumors for the 12th gen are split, but the most reliable sources suggest Apple is finally shrinking that gap to its thinnest point ever, almost mimicking a laminated feel without the repair cost. Why? Because the Apple Pencil Pro is coming to the entry level. Imagine having the squeeze gesture, the barrel roll, and haptic feedback on a tablet that costs less than $400. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a takeover of the student and creative market. But here is where it gets controversial. Apple is reportedly testing a new chassis design. While the 10th and 11th gen shared a similar look, the 12th gen is rumored to adopt a much more pro aesthetic. We are talking about even thinner bezels and potentially the introduction of the action button from the iPhone. Imagine a customizable button on your iPad that lets you launch your notes, start a screen recording, or turn on the flashlight instantly. It sounds small, but for productivity, it's a game changer. And the colors. Forget the muted tones. Apple is going bold for 2026. Midnight blue, a refreshed space gray, and a stunning sunset orange are allegedly on the table to appeal to the younger US demographic. Now, let's get into the why behind this device. The tablet market has shifted. People are keeping their devices longer. Your iPad 8th or 9th gen is starting to chug. The battery is dying, the apps are crashing, and you can't run the latest version of iPadOS smoothly. Apple knows this. They need a supercycle. They need something so compelling that the millions of people holding onto old iPads feel forced to upgrade. That's why the 12th gen isn't just about a faster chip. It's about the integration of Wi-Fi 7 and potentially a significantly improved 12 megapixel